Hello, this is Adam Stanislav, here to introduce the new video series about Bézier curves. Just about everyone has heard of them. They define vector graphics, typically with two endpoints and two control points. If you move any of those points, the shape of the curve changes in allegedly instinctive ways. Well, maybe. But most people have no idea how and why. Most people probably don't even care how and why it works. And of course, they have no idea how much they're missing out. Well, fear not. When you're done with this series, you'll have a full understanding of Bézier curves, and you'll be able to accomplish a lot more with them than those who lack this understanding. So get ready, buckle up, and make sure to be subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos in this series, or in any other series here on the RustyTube channel.